What's up with you guys, bro? Another day, another W, man. You are given an integer array of size n, where score of I is the score of the athlete in a competition. All the scores are guaranteed to be unique. The athletes are placed based on their scores, where first is the highest, second, and so on. The placement determines their rank. First place gets gold, second silver, third bronze, and the rest of them get an nth place defined by x. We're gonna have to return answer of size n, where answer of I is the rank of the athlete. So I'm actually gonna make a new array with this up here something. Right, so score I'm gonna say copy is gonna be that push. I'll put this back here. Right, and I'm gonna do sort copy that begin. Just copy end. Okay, and I'm actually gonna want to reverse this. So the highest one is in the the highest one is the first one. Okay. Now I'm gonna say string titles or whatever. So I'm gonna say the first one is, so I'm gonna do for let's say Governor Burns middle, then 4 5, okay. And I it's 1 I less than let's copy that size is equal to. So if I is equal to 1, I'm gonna say tiles dot push back gold middle, and if I is equal to 2, I'm gonna say tiles dot push back silver middle. Then if I is equal to 3, I'm gonna say titles dot push back bronze middle. Else I'm gonna say titles dot push back is gonna be to string of I. Okay, and I'm gonna have a map of int and string. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through 0 and then copy that size. I'm gonna say m of is, no wait, this copy of I is gonna be equal to titles of I. Okay, and I'm actually gonna need to see this. So I'm gonna see what happened here. Or wherever. And I actually have to return something, so So we got 5, 4, bronze, silver. Okay. Okay, that was good. Okay. So now I'm just gonna, oops. I'm just gonna have a as. I'm just gonna loop through. Um, the score is plus score. I'm just gonna say it's gonna be push back m of score of I. I'm gonna return as or something. Get what happened, bro? I oops. Okay. Guess I'm not sharing something. Alright, you guys. Good stuff. We got accepted. Okay. Alright, so yeah, yeah, the tags for this say priority queue, but I use a map. So yeah. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for today, man. Yeah, I couldn't solve this before, but I solved this now. So I've definitely progressed. Like, subscribe. Every 100 subscribers, free PDF, free DSA tricks PDF. Every 100 subscribers. DM me on Instagram with proof that you subscribed, and you have a chance to win a free PDF with LeetCode tips to solve LeetCode better. I love you. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out.